What if it were true that swelling in the legs and ankles isn't just something to live with after 60, but a warning sign the body has been quietly sending for years? Many older adults often say the same thing. It's just aging. But a closer look often reveals early signs of poor circulation. If ignored, can lead to stiffness, poor balance, and reduced independence. What stands out most is this. Swelling rarely starts with pain. It begins subtly: tight shoes, sock marks on the skin, and a heavy feeling in the legs by evening. Easy to dismiss, until walking, standing, or getting out of bed starts feeling different. In many cases, the body isn't asking for medication, it's asking for movement. And 2 simple movements can help push fluid out of the legs before these early signs progress. 1. Ankle circles, unlocking fluid in the lower legs. Ankles feeling stiff or slow to wake up is often more than aging joints. It can signal poor circulation and fluid buildup. One major cause of swelling is reduced joint movement. When the ankle stops moving fully, fluid circulation slows and settles around the feet and ankles. To do this, sit in a stable chair with one foot slightly lifted. Rotate the ankle slowly in a full circle as if drawing with the toes. Do 10 slow circles clockwise, then 10 counterclockwise. Each should take 2 to 3 seconds. Control matters more than speed. Mild clicking is normal. Repeat on the other foot. Best done in the morning or at night to help restore movement and reduce fluid buildup. 2. Seated marching, restoring circulation flow. Heaviness in the legs during the day often means slowed circulation and fluid pooling in the lower body. While attention is usually on ankles, the thighs play a major role in pushing blood and fluid back toward the heart. When inactive for long periods, circulation slows below. Sit upright in a chair with feet flat. Lift one knee toward the chest until the thigh engages. Hold briefly, then lower with control. Alternate legs in a steady rhythm like marching while seated. Start with 30 seconds and build to 1 minute. Focus on control, not speed. This helps reactivate deeper circulation and reduces fluid pooling in the ankles. If you find this helpful, like and subscribe for more content like this.